Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use f-strings in Python programming. So f-string allows us to insert variable directly into a string in a clean and readable way. So it's an alternative to plus operator for concatenating strings. So let's do an example. My name is John and my age is right now 33. If I want to print my name and my age inside a string, I can use f-string. So let's do it. In print function, I start with f and then I put my double quotes. So my name is, and then I will use variable here. So we put the variable name inside curly braces. So I open my curly braces and then I say name. What's my variable name? Is name here. You see, my variable name is name. Here, Python replace it with its value. What's its value? Is John. You see, when I run it, I will see my name is John on the screen. Okay, super. And then I just continue, and I am 33 years old. I want to say this. So I will use age variable. So that's why I opened my curly braces and then I put age variable. And then I write normal string years old. So if I run it, you see my name is John and I am 33 years old. You see, it's really easy to use it. I just put f in the beginning and then when I use variable name, I just open my curly braces and then use it. This method makes writing long string expressions much more easier. Super. See you in the next lesson.